Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So today is nothing special. Today is just another working day. I'm still figuring out how to properly mount my GoPro, and my ideal angle is to give you a point of view angle. So I'm trying the head mount again, reposition it, and during my first try it wasn't successful, and hoping that by lowering the angle to my forehead it will be better. So previously I tried the head mount and I put it on my forehead, which is a normal position, and it feels a bit too high. It looks a bit too high. So I was inspired by a game show, and in the game show the participants were using this neck mount. So I thought it would be an ideal solution. So I bought the neck mount, which is like a ring. You just put it on your neck, but it still doesn't work because the position from the neck is too low, and what I can only see is just my steering. Then I go through Google, I go through a lot of YouTubes, I check how they do their recording, and I saw there's one channel which is very good at recording this POV driving. And I was still thinking, how did he do it? You know, because like I said, I tried the head mount before and it doesn't work. And then and then the neck mount didn't work as well. So somehow I managed to spot that when he looked into the rear mirror, and I saw that the camera was actually mounted on the forehead, and it was a head mount. And the only different thing that he did was he actually lowered the camera. So this could be the solution that I need, and I'm trying it today. Hopefully it is working out, and I don't have to stress myself finding the perfect camera angle again. Yes, I know you still have a lot of places to mount your camera inside the car. You can mount it on the car windows, sunroof, but I don't have a sunroof here. So yeah, I just hope that this is a perfect solution for now. 2 days ago, when I was driving on this KL Seremban highway, you know, to prevent stone chipping or what, I will try to avoid driving behind like big trucks or lorry nowadays. So happened that day there's one construction lorry, like the one in front, the orange color. It was in front of me, and in between us there's a Mercedes. So I thought it should be a good idea to overtake the lorry. So okay, so while I was overtaking the lorry, there's one rock that this size dropping out from the lorry, and it actually hit my windshield. Luckily it didn't break, but it left a metal scar on the windshield. How unfortunate. So I have done some survey. Little scars like this can be repaired. So I'm gonna go for this windshield specialist soon to see how they did it, because yeah, there are many options nowadays. You can leave it as it is, or you can replace it. I believe most of us now have the windshield insurance nowadays. But if you want to replace it, I would think that the scars or the mark are too little for you to replace the entire windshield, and also of course the window tint as well. Once you replace it, you lose the window tint and you have to tint it again. So I've contacted one windshield specialist who repair all these little windshield scars. I'm gonna pay them a visit, and I'll share with you guys later. Okay, I think that's all for today. We'll see you guys. Ride and drive safe.